Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in social media marketing, we'll discuss about Instagram. Instagram, one of the most popular social media platform in the world. It is huge. A lot of millions and millions of people are flocking onto Instagram. There are individuals, there are professionals, even there are businesses setting up their business profiles and engaging with the users on Instagram to drive traffic to your website, the blogs or the landing pages, and driving more and more conversions. So what is Instagram? What are some of the statistics of Instagram? How you can actually create a profile page on Instagram, so on and so forth, are something that we'll check out today. The Instagram statistics. Let's start with Instagram statistics. There are over 700 million users on Instagram right now, according to the latest numbers. Now 400 million daily active users, people engaging and interacting with multiple users every single day. There are over 400 million users. 95 million photos shared daily. 95 million photos are shared daily on Instagram. 4.2 billion liked daily. Their likes on daily are 4.2 billion. Then you have 400 billion photos shared till May 27. Till May 2017, 400 billion photos are shared on Instagram. Just imagine the size, the scale and the magnitude to which Instagram has increased over the years, and this is actually growing at an alarming rate. The number of users are growing and you cannot stay away from Instagram if you are a serious business and drive traffic and generate more and more revenue from Instagram. How to create a profile page? You can actually create a profile page in a very simple way using a desktop or a laptop also. It is possible. First, Instagram basically is a more smartphone oriented. More and more people are using Instagram on their phones. Predominantly an overwhelming majority of people. Very limited people are, in fact, there are not many people who are using Instagram on a desktop or a laptop, but you can actually use it. You can actually create a profile page on using a laptop or a desktop. It is possible. Now we will create a profile page on Instagram, and what are the steps involved into it, how you can actually invite the users and engage with them, is something we'll check out right now. Now what we'll do right now is we are going to create a profile page on Instagram. Instagram is hugely popular all across the world. Millions and millions of people are interacting, engaging and communicating on Instagram, and this is a very easy process to create an account or a profile page on Instagram. Right now we are into Instagram. Now creating an Instagram account is much easier. It can be done in multiple ways. One is you can log in with Facebook, because Instagram has been acquired by Facebook. You can easily log in into Facebook and create an Instagram account. The other way of doing is entering your email ID, name, username and password. Let's go about what we'll do is we'll create a account using your username and password. Right now I have given my email ID, I have given my name, I have given my username. This is my username. I have given my password. I am entering my password. Done. Now sign up. Done. Here we have got created a profile page on Instagram. You can add a photo here, a profile photo of your own photo. Then you can actually go about interacting and engaging. Suggestions for you. These are the suggestions based on my behavioral performance on Facebook. People who may be interacting with me, communicate with me, these people will be available for me here. Now these people are actually going to be the people whom I may like to follow, or I may search for people here. To whomever we want, you can go about searching the page. Now you have three buttons here. You click on this button. What you can do is you can actually go about updating your account. Here you have got your edit profile. If you want to edit profile and change password, authorize applications, comments and email, SMS. You can write a bio.
digital marketing professional, trainer, whatever the information that you want to type, write a very good bio, an effective bio. If you're going to give your telephone number, write your telephone number, gender, you can enter your gender, then submit the information. This information profile is saved here. Then you can actually change. If you want to change your password, you can change your password. You can comments, or if you want to see the comments and submit, everything can be done here. Then you can look into the various other options that it offers. This is basically what you need to do. You need to interact and follow people. If you follow people, people will follow you back, and the more you follow, the more you engage with them, the better. And you can actually go about creating your own recent activity and post. If you want to have, you can post it here. It is much easier, much more normal process that you can go about creating your profile and entering the information that you want to enter. The complete information will be available for you here across, and you can actually log into log into your Instagram account, follow people, and most importantly, besides from creating your own profile, you can exactly the same way you can create your business profile also. Business profile is much easier. It is similar to the kind of page that you have created just now. You can actually go about providing the complete information and about your business, about the profile, about the links, about the website information. Complete information can be provided, and you can go about creating your own page and uploading your images, and everything is possible. You can update your information anytime and go about doing the information, the kind of things that you want to post on Instagram, and you can go about creating your own profile, creating your own posts, you engaging, interacting and communicating with you. The more you interact and communicate with people, the much better. Let's say for example, I follow this person and social media today. I am actually right now following you. Whatever the post that social media will post here, it will be appearing for me here on my Instagram account. Now, skill share is something that I want to share. This information will be available for me. The more you interact with people, the more you will be able to communicate with them. Now that I have actually connected with social media, you will see all the posts that are being posted by social media today. Now you skill share, you have shared skill share information is information that they are posting, it displayed here. Now that I have, social media today has posted this image about the branding and experiment, I can add a comment to it, I can talk to them, I can interact with them and provide the kind of information that need to be done in terms of engaging, interacting and communicating is concerned. Now this is another post coming down from social media today. The more they actually post, the more you will be able to view them on your page. The more you will be able to view on your page, the more you will be able to interact with them. You keep posting and they keep posting, the sharing of information is done. Make sure that the posts that you do on Instagram are not just text based, they are more in terms of images, the more in terms of infographics, the more in terms of videos, the much better. Because Instagram is all about images, videos and content. The more you interact with them, the much better. And this is actually how you can go about creating an account on Instagram, logging into it, updating your profile page, following people, sharing information.
Welcome back. We have seen just now how you can actually go about creating a profile page, creating your own profile on Instagram. How you can actually log in, giving the password, entering into Instagram, interacting with the users, inviting users, updating your bio and so on and so forth. These are some of the things that you can do. Similar way, you can actually go about creating your business profile also. In fact, since Instagram has been acquired by Facebook, you can actually go about linking your users from Facebook into Instagram and creating a Facebook a Facebook page, and using that Facebook features here in Instagram is also possible. What you can do is, once you have created a profile page, and you can convert that profile page into a business page, that is also possible through Instagram. Now, besides from creating a business page or a profile page on Instagram, there are lot many other features that you need to take into consideration in driving more and more traffic, engaging with more and more users, and that is basically the Instagram analytics. Instagram analytics plays a very important role in understanding how successful your business page or profile page is, and what you can do to actually increase the conversions using Instagram as a business tool to drive more and more traffic to your website or blog or a landing page. Let us check some of the analytics features that are available for us in Instagram analytics.
Hello and welcome back. What we'll do right now is we'll see some of the analytical features that Instagram offers in terms of analyzing your posts, analyzing the posts posted by the people whom you follow, so on and so forth. Let us say we are logged into an Instagram. Some of the people that whom we are following are these two people, for example, as an example just to show. And these Skillshare and social media today. For example, I click on social media today. Now the social media page is displayed here. There are 98 posts, for 17.4k people are following, or 41 people are the people whom we are following, and the information is displayed here in terms of the number of posts that has been posted so far in social media today. Load more, you will get more and more posts that have been posted here. If you see point the mouse here, you will see there are 110 likes and the 4 engagements here. There are 261 to 21 likes here. You have the information here related to that particular post that been posted. If you click here, you will see here the complete information. There are 85 likes here and information is displayed here. The engagement that is happening here. You're following here, you can post here, the information will be updated here. What Instagram shows you is here the likes and the post comments that are posted. The likes and the comments posted here, you have, this is the video. This video is actually viewed by 349 people. There are no comments here. This is a post which is being liked by 35 people and there are no comments here. Similarly, if you go to some other post here, there are 85 likes here and 8 comments here. Similarly, 261 likes here and 21 comments here. This is the information that need to be analyzed, how people are interacting, communicating with you in terms of the likes and in terms of the comment that you have posted on your Instagram account. And these are some of the analytical information that Instagram offers to you for the people whom you are interacting and engaging with. Let's say you check some other pages whom you are following, that information will be displayed here. In terms of 378 people have liked here and 3 people have commented here. You can click on this one and you can see who are the 3 people who have commented here. 1, 2, 3, and there are about 378 likes here. And this is actually how the analytical information can be analyzed on the post you do and the post that your followers are doing, or you people whom you are following. And this analytical information is extremely crucial for you to report, to analyze, to comprehensively take care of how these people are interacting and engaging with you, and what are the tweaks that you need to do in terms of actually improving your Instagram account and Instagram profile page, so that you can add more and more people, drive more and more people, and make sure that you actually engaging, interacting and communicating with people to drive more and more traffic to your Instagram account, from Instagram account to your, of course, to your website or a landing page or a blog.
Welcome back. We have seen how you can actually create a profile page on Instagram. We have also seen how you can actually create or understand the benefits that Instagram analytics offers for us. And besides from the Instagram analytics, what you can also think about how you can actually use some of the business strategies using Instagram as a tool to drive more and more traffic to your website. Write a perfect bio, include a link. You can actually include a link in your bio. Write a perfect bio, whether you are an individual or a professional or it is a business page on Instagram. Make sure that you write a perfect bio that perfectly suits your business or as the profession that you are in, and include a link there. It could be a website or blog or a landing page. Make sure that you include a link. Formulate a business profile and image. Have a complete business profile when you create a business page on Instagram. And of course, the most important point is the image. Use a logo, your logo, or any image that is associated with your business. Make sure that you create a business profile and the image is also included. Use hashtags appropriately. Hashtags have immense potential in actually interacting and engaging with users. Whether it is Twitter or Facebook or Instagram, hashtags play a very important and crucial role. Make sure that what is the most trending things that are happening around the world, closely related with it, you can use hashtags to drive more and more traffic. Curate targeted content. The content has to be completely focused, targeted towards your users. When you do a lot of research to understand where your targeted users are, their demographics, their geographies, and make sure that you know the content that you formulate, the content that you curate is completely in consonance with the users or the targeted customers. Engage and respond to users. Social media is all about interaction, engagement, and communication. You interact, engage, and communicate with the users who are included in your business page or profile page, and make sure that you know when the questions are raised, you respond to them immediately. You have to be very quick in responding to the users, and that is actually a key element in making your Instagram pages successful. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is Instagram statistics, how to create an Instagram profile page, Instagram analytics, and some of the business strategies that you can think of implementing as far as using Instagram for your business is concerned. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.